Let's look into the difference between sample mean and population mean. So let's take a few parameters. One is a definition, accuracy, and formula. Okay. First, what does sample mean for you? Sample mean is the arithmetic mean of all small sample data drawn from a population. That's it. Sample mean is the arithmetic mean of each and every sampling unit which is there inside a sample which has drawn from a population. And what is population mean? Population mean the arithmetic mean of whole population or arithmetic mean of each element which is inside the whole population. Okay. And accuracy, sample mean will have a lower accuracy obviously, whereas population mean will have a higher accuracy because sample is just one subset of the population. Now formula for that, normally the representation of sample mean, always this is very important point to be noted, very important, very important. As we move ahead, we will use this notation. So that's the reason it's very important to remember. For x bar is the notation we use for sample mean, and mu is the notation we use it for the population, and sample mean is known as statistic, where population mean is known as parameter. So x bar is the statistic and mu is the parameter. Okay. So sample mean is regarded as an efficient and unbiased estimator of population mean, which means that the most expected value for the sample statistic is the population statistic irrespective of the sampling error. So then it's a mean of group characteristic, where group refers to elements of the population like items, persons, etc., and the characteristic is the item of interest. As the population is very large and not known, the population mean is unknown constant.